I recall when we first met, when you asked me for my name, and I asked you yours. Then, we became so inseparable. I almost believe we were like sisters. You were always the one person I stuck to, even when you moved away. You were the only person I trusted. I never thought I'd find another person to replace you. We kept our friendship intact for so long. I even saw us as friends till we were 100, as we were kids just dreaming. We grew up together, separate but together somehow. We'll text late at night or call for hours on end. Our families hated it, but we did it anyways. When you needed me, I'd always wait for you. It all started to end when you started to slowly distance yourself from me. I wasn't understanding what was going on. You told me you were just busy, but I had my doubts. We entered high school in different districts and into different lives. And I started to think, whatever happened to when I needed you, you wait for me. You weren't there that time. I cared about you more than others ever will, and you left. But here I am now, putting away this final thought of this friendship that lasted so many years to rest. I don't know where you are or how you're doing now. You know who you are, but I doubt you ever hear this. I wish you all the best from here on out. And I won't wait for you this time.